How we can stop the extinction of the Asian elephant **. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Nature's Voice. Today, we're talking about a magnificent species that's in danger, the Asian elephant. These gentle giants are not only iconic to the landscapes of Asia but are also critical to the ecosystems they live in. Sadly, they're facing extinction, but there's still hope. In today's video, we'll explore why the Asian elephant is endangered and, most importantly, what we can do to save them. The importance of the Asian elephant. The Asian elephant is a keystone species, which means they play a crucial role in maintaining the biodiversity of the ecosystems they inhabit. From dispersing sea-reaching pathways in dense forests, their presence helps sustain life for countless other species. Without them, entire ecosystems could collapse. Currently, Asian elephants are found in 13 countries, but their population has drastically declined due to human activities. Why are Asian elephants endangered? Now, let's talk about the main reasons behind their endangerment. The most significant threat is habitat destruction. Deforestation and urban expansion are shrinking their natural homes. As we take over their habitats for agriculture, roads, and cities, elephants are left with fewer places to roam. Human-elephant conflict *. When elephants lose their natural habitats, they often enter human settlements in search of food, leading to dangerous conflicts. In many cases, both humans and elephants are harmed or killed during these encounters. Despite international laws protecting elephants, poaching for ivory and other body parts still persists. Though Asian elephants have smaller tusks than their African relatives, they're still targeted, especially in illegal wildlife trade. 4. Climate change *. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns affect the availability of water and food, forcing elephants to travel longer distances, which increases the chances of conflict and stress on the animals. What can be done? The good news is, there are effective measures we can take to stop the extinction of the Asian elephant. We need to protect and restore natural forests. Governments, organizations, and individuals can work together to expand protected areas and create wildlife corridors that allow elephants to move safely between habitats. Reduce human-elephant conflict *. Installing early warning systems and building barriers like trenches and fences can help keep elephants away from human settlements. Communities living near elephants should also receive support and education on how to coexist peacefully with these animals. 3. Stronger anti-poaching laws *. The extinction of the Asian elephant is not inevitable. By making conscious choices and supporting the right initiatives, we can help these incredible creatures thrive once again. It's up to us to ensure that future generations get to witness the beauty of the Asian elephant in the wild. We must combat climate change by reforesting lost habitats and reducing carbon emissions. By addressing the root causes of climate change, we can help preserve the natural environment elephants rely on. There are many NGOs and wildlife groups actively working to protect elephants, such as the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, and Wildlife Conservation Society, WCS. Donating to or volunteering with these organizations can make a real difference. What you can do *. While governments and large organizations play a big role, you can also contribute to the protection of Asian elephants in your daily life. Avoid products linked to deforestation. Make sure the products you buy, like palm oil and paper, come from sustainable sources. Raise awareness. Share videos like this one and spread the message about the importance of conserving Asian elephants. Use your voice on social media to promote conservation efforts. Visit ethical elephant sanctuaries. If you want to see elephants up close, choose ethical sanctuaries that prioritize the well-being of the elephants and do not engage in exploitative practices like elephant riding. Support elephant conservation programs. Even small donations can help fund important conservation projects. The extinction of the Asian elephant is not inevitable. By making conscious choices and supporting the right initiatives, we can help these incredible creatures thrive once again. It's up to us to ensure that future generations get to witness the beauty of the Asian elephant in the wild. Save the Asian elephant. Save our planet. ****. Thank you for watching Nature and Wind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's work together to protect the world's wildlife. See you next time.